Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. This one right here, you're dealing with proportions in triangles. So what you have to do first is subtract these two right here and get 10. And then once you do that, I would follow this line right here. And I'd go top over bottom equals top over bottom. And that's the way I do it. So I would cross multiply. I think that's 60. And then I get zeros cancel. So I get x equals 6. On today's worksheet, you do have the answers, and that is the correct answer for number 1. Okay? This one right here is basically the same thing, but look, the whole thing is 45. So that makes this piece right here 45 minus this other piece, which is 5x. I know that seems strange, but that's the way you do it. This one is 36 minus 20 is 16. So now that you have the parts here, you can set up your proportion. Follow this line. So you're going to put this one over this one. Equals, follow that line, 20 over, or 16 over 20. And then draw it like that. Notice the arrows are going in the same direction. Okay, this one is coming from the top down. This one is coming from the top down. And so you cross multiply, and you have to distribute to both of these right here. So I don't know what 20 times 45 is, but let's find out. I get 900, so it's going to be 900 minus 5 times 2 is 10, so that's 100. So minus 100x is equal to 5 times 16, and I get 80x right here. Now I'm going to add 100x because a negative is smaller. So I get 900 right here. This right here is going to be, looks like 180x. And so I divide by 180. Let's see what I get. So clear it out. 900 divided by 180. I get 5. And that's how you do that. Today you have a worksheet, and here it is right here. It's also going to be on Canvas. And so if you look, the one I just worked is right here. That's number 5. And the answer is 5. So make sure you get the correct answer. If not, check with your neighbor. Ask them how to do it. And then raise your hand if you need to, and I'll help you. All right, so I want to get on now off of geometry and on to MCR. So if you look here, on MCR, you have to graph these points right here. So remember, you go over and then up or down. Okay, so here it's a negative 2. So you're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's your point, and that's number 1. This one right here is a special case. This is your x. This is x equals 5, 2, x equals 0, x equals negative 1. Negative 2 is like this. This one right here, you have to add a y-intercept. So put plus 0. So you want to go up 0. And then it's rise over run. I'm going to run first to the right, 3. That's what that is. And then I'm going to go up 2. There it is. And that's how you do that. This one right here, before I give you your work, y equals 0. This is your y-axis. This one right here is y equals 10, y equals 5, y equals 0. Y equals 0 is the x-axis. Write that down. Y equals 0 is the x-axis. X equals 0 is the y-axis. Looks like this. Okay, so try to memorize that right there. And here's today's work. I want you to work these on this paper here, and when you're done, I want you to go to part 2 in the book. And it's a few more graphing ones. Okay, that's it. And rather short video today. But there's your lesson, and have a good morning.